you step out.
So today I'm going to talk about the vaccines developments in 20th century. First, I'm going to talk about definition. So it is a substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies and provide immunity against one or several diseases. And there are lots of deadly and widespread disease cured by vaccines. For example, the smallpox vaccine has cured 55 million people every year, and measles vaccines have cured 2.7 million people every year. So that's a lot of people. And then I'm going to talk about the timeline of development of vaccine, which is this picture. So basically, during the 20th century, it's all the discovery of vaccine, and between 20th century and 21st century, there are lots of development of vaccine, that's what I'm going to find out. And here's some reasons I want to choose a topic, and there are two reasons. The first is my initial motivation, and then is the motivation after a bit of research. So the initial motivation is I love medicine, and I always read articles about medicine on books. So since vaccines can prevent people from getting ill, I am extremely interested in that topic. And after I doing a little bit research, I found that there are many diseases cured by a vaccine, and I want to know more about how it works and how it will cure many incurable diseases such as HIV. And these two things is what I want to find out. The first one is pretty superficial because the development of vaccine in 20th century must lead to some kinds of development in the 21st century, just like what the timeline says. And the second one is a little bit deeper because scientists and chemists will have great probability to analyze the components of vaccines and test the components and try to use them in medicines to cure more people. I also want to find out more stats about how many people the vaccines cured, so I can conclude that it has greatly improved people's lives and life conditions and settings. And I found three sources, and I'm only going to put one here. The title is Benefit versus Risks, and this is the author, and the year of publication is unknown. And the article is arguing the benefits of preventing disease with vaccine far outweighs the risks, and it does so by comparing death rates and also quoting from Institute of Medicine to support his argument. This is a really powerful institute in America. And this is some screenshots. You can see this is thesis, and here's his arguments, and here's the Institute of Medicine he quotes from. And this is my working thesis. In 20th century, large amounts of vaccines were discovered, developed, and being used in real life. As a result, vaccines in 20th century not only effectively reduced the mortality rate of people infected by certain diseases, but also provided basis for further development in vaccines and medicines in 21st century. This is my thesis. I think it works pretty well. And this is my image slide. Thank you.